Phenergan contains an antihistamine called promethazine hydrochloride. It is commonly used for several conditions including short-term insomnia, hay fever, or allergies, and for the treatment and prevention of feeling sick such as travel sickness. Promethazine is a sedating antihistamine, so one side effect is drowsiness. Other common side effects include dizziness, blurred vision, headache, dry mouth, and difficulty passing urine. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist if side effects are serious or last longer than a few days. Promethazine may cause your skin to become more sensitive to sunlight than normal. Use a sunscreen that protects against UVA light and has a sun protection factor of at least 15, especially in strong sunlight or until you know how your skin reacts.